In this video, I will share the tips to increase sales for your online store. While most of the points are not new anymore, but we still see many newcomers didn't properly optimize their e-commerce store. Let's get started now. The first tip is the payment method. Personally, I'm not really like the approach by manually bank in, screenshot the proof, then send to the seller. Having an online payment gateway is essential to increase your sales. Give the choices of using FPS, debit, credit card, or e-wallet methods are always welcome to fulfill all types of customers. The second tip is simplifying the checkout process. In general, the less info you need to fill in, the higher the conversion rate. Try asking yourself, do you enjoy to fill in so many fields, keep clicking many next buttons while you're excited to buy a product online? This issue happens quite often with poor design e-commerce website. Next is about the basic SEO tips. Please at least give an optimized title and meta description for all your homepage, categories, product pages, and enhance the product description. Not to forget about your online store loading speed. Nobody wants to shop from a slow e-commerce store. The fourth tip is about the abandoned cart customer. Depending on the types of the online store, you can send a voucher or coupon to the abandoned cart customers to attract them to complete the purchase. Some already included in the system, or you can install various email marketing tools to automate this feature. If you have budget, remarketing ads is a good strategy too. The fifth tip is psychological pricing. Apart from the common end with 9 bundle pricing or cheaper annual subscription fee, pay attention to the benefit of what the client will get if sign up to a higher tier. The promo pricing strategy has to make sense and give no reason to let the customer refuse. The last tip is using automation tools or plugins. Try asking yourself which tasks or routine can be replaced by tools or software to save your time. The market already provided tons of analytic business intelligence integration tools to make your e-commerce journey easier. Most of them offer the free trial or freemium usage. Okay, that's all for the tips to increase sales for online store. Start small and keep improving your online store consistently over time. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment, and share this video.